this session, we will discuss some important point about instance variable. So what's instance variable? Instance variable is a object level variable. For instance variable, a separate copy will be maintained for every object. So remember this point. If you declare variable as an instance variable, for that instance variable, a separate copy will be maintained for every object of a class. If we change the value of instance variable of one object, then those changes will not be reflected to the remaining object of that class. So remember this point. What point you have to remember? Instance variable is a object level variable. For instance variable, a separate copy will be maintained for every object. When we should go for instance variable? If you want to maintain information at object level, or if the value of variable is varied from object to object, then we should go for instance variable. And next point you have to remember, if we are change the value of instance variable of one object, then those changes will not be reflected to the remaining object of that class. So watch here. Here we define one class, demo class. Inside the demo class we define constructor, and inside constructor we are declaring two instance variable. Now we create one object of the class. So when you create the object of this class, two instance variable will be added to this object. After creating the object, now we are trying to modify the instance variable value of that object. So here we are writing d1 dot a equal to 30 and d1 dot b equal to 40. It means for this object, instance variable a and b value will be modified. So a value becomes 30 and b value becomes 40. Now we create another object. When you create the object of a class, constructor of the class will invoke and two instance variable will be added, whose value is 10 and second instance variable value is 20. Now if you try to fetch d2 dot a, so d2 dot a, what you will got it? You got it 10. If you try to fetch d1 dot a, in this time d1 dot a value be, what's the value of d1 dot a? 30. For d1 object, a instance for d1 object, a instance variable value is 30, but for d2 object, a instance variable value is 10. So remember this point. If you are trying to changes one object instance variable, then those changes will not be reflected to other object. If you delete or if you change one object instance variable informations, if you remove or if you change one instance variable of one object, then those changes will not be reflected to other object of a class. So now comes in program and watch here. So now here we define one class, demo class. Inside the demo class we define one constructor, and inside the constructor we are declaring two instance variable, self dot a equal to 10 and self dot b equal to 20. Now come out from the class. Now we create the object of class. When you create the object of a class, watch here what the information for d1 object. So once you create the object of a class, it means two instance variable will be added to this object. So now watch here. Now print the d1 details, d1 dot underscore underscore dictionary. So now save this application and run this application and check the output. So this object contains two instance variable, where first instance variable value is 10 and second instance variable value is 20. Now we are trying to modify instance variable for this object. Now we are trying to modify instance variable information for this object. So here we are trying to modify d1 dot equal to 40 and d1 dot b equal to 50. Now we are trying to print d1 dot dictionary, d1 dot underscore underscore dictionary underscore underscore. Now save this application and run this application. Watch here. For d1 object, both instance variable value has to be modified. Now we create another object of class, d2 equal to demo. When you create another object of a class, it means new memory will be allocated. And in this object, two instance variable will be added, whose value is 10 and 20. Now if you try to print the D2 details, D2 object instance variable. So now here we are calling underscore underscore dictionary underscore underscore. So watch here, for D2 object, two instance variable, but A instance variable value is 10 and B instance variable value is 20. So remember this point. If you are try to modify one object instance variable information, that information will not be reflected to other object of a class. I hope you will understand. Thank you.